Hi, my name is Allison Heller, and I'm an attorney at the law offices of Tony J. Tyre. Today, we're going to talk about joint ownership. Many clients who I meet with have questions about joint ownership of property, and specifically, whether holding assets jointly or adding another individual to their property is a good way to pass down property upon their death. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of joint tenancy. I'm going to start by explaining how joint tenancy works. Joint tenancy is a way of holding title to property whereby all joint owners have equal, undivided interest. Both real property as well as financial assets can be held in joint tenancy. Under joint tenancy, joint owners cannot transfer, encumber, or alienate their individual interests in the property. Now, the biggest advantage of holding property in joint tenancy is the right of survivorship, which means that upon the death of one joint owner, title to the asset automatically passes to the remaining joint owners without the need to go through probate court. However, there are some major drawbacks to holding property in joint tenancy. For one, if all joint owners pass away simultaneously, then the result would be multiple, costly and time-consuming probate proceedings for each joint owner. Another serious issue with holding property in joint tenancy is joint liability. Because all joint owners share an undivided, unified interest in the property, if one joint owner gets sued, then the entire property is subject to attachment by that person's creditors. And finally, adding another person to your property as a joint tenant during your lifetime creates a major tax disadvantage, and that the other joint owner would not be eligible to receive a full step-up in basis when they inherit that property upon your death. As a result, that person will get hit with substantial capital gains taxes if and when they sell that property. Before adding someone to your property as a joint tenant, you should consider consulting with an estate planning attorney to discuss setting up a living trust to better protect your assets. If you'd like to learn more about living trusts, please visit our website at www.tyrelawgroup.com.